Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to save a post from a Facebook group directly on your PC using the latest update to the Facebook app. If you find yourself scrolling through your favorite Facebook groups and stumbling on posts you want to revisit later, maybe a tutorial, recipe, or important announcement, this guide will show you exactly how to keep those posts organized and easy to access anytime you need them. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, head over to the group where you spotted the post you'd like to save. You can find your groups easily from the left menu, or by searching the group's name at the top of the page. Now browse through the posts in your chosen group until you find the post you want to keep for future reference. Here's the important part. Look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of the post. That's the More option. Click on those three dots. This will open a menu with several options tailored to the post. From the drop-down list, select the Save option. Facebook will now give you the option to choose a collection. Collections allow you to organize your saved posts by category, so you can keep recipes, study tips, travel ideas, or any topic you care about all in order. Simply pick the collection where you'd like to save your post. If you don't have a collection yet, you can easily create a new one right here. Once you've selected the right collection, click Done to complete the process. That's all there is to it. Your group post is now saved, neatly organized, and just a few clicks away whenever you need it. It's a super convenient way to make sure you never lose track of valuable information shared in your Facebook groups. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore more tips and tricks on navigating social media features and getting the most out of your favorite platforms. Thanks for watching.